Hi there. Welcome to Uexcel Labs. Today we are going to cover part 4 of our video series. As you know, it's an 8-part series and we have already finished part 1, part 2 and part 3. And now in part 4 we are going to cover another 50 companies that are hiring right now, even in this climate. And these are going to be another 50 companies that have openings of 100 to 1,000 jobs all across the country. We did about 100 to 1,000 opening. Also, we covered those companies also in part 3. And this is kind of a continuation of the same kind of companies which have similar openings. Okay, but unlike the ones we covered in part 3, these ones actually you will see that many of them are much bigger companies. Okay, much bigger companies. They laid off a lot of people. Now they are going through a new hiring process, but they are not hiring much, but they're hiring about at least 100 plus people. Okay, some are hiring almost as many as 1,000, as you will see. Okay, and as you remember, in part 1, we covered 50 companies with 1,000 to 100,000 openings. One or two were more than 100,000. In part 2, we talked about 50 companies with 500 to 5,000 openings. In part 3, as I just mentioned, we covered 50 companies with 100 to 1,000, and today also we are doing 100 to 1,000. Okay, with that, let's get started. Okay, number 1, KLA. KLA is a semiconductor company. They are hiring about 700 people. Okay, this is all across the world. Actually, KLA is all over, not only over US but also outside the US also. Number 2, Autodesk. Autodesk is looking to hire nearly 700 people also for various open roles they have. Number 3, PVH Corp is hiring for about 700 roles they have. Number 4, NVIDIA, another big electronics company. They're also into AI and machine learning and all those things, artificial intelligence. They're hiring for about 700 openings also. They have, again, they are primarily in US, but they have some openings outside US also. Electronic Arts, a major gaming company, a video game company. They used to be number 1 at one point, but they are still one of the top video games companies in the world. Electronic Arts has a lot of openings, about 700 openings also here. Okay. 6, UNFI or UNFI. They're hiring for about 650 roles they have. Number 7, GE or General Electric has about 650 openings. Not bad. GE was doing really poorly for a while, but now they are trying to recover from those days, and now they're hiring, which is great news. Number 8, Air Products. They're hiring for about 650 openings they have right now. Number 9, Qualcomm, a major semiconductor company, very much active in the 5G space today, and Qualcomm is hiring for more than 600 positions. I'm sure many of these are going to be in their headquarters in San Diego, California, but also they have presence in New Jersey and other parts of the US, and also outside US. Number 10, Procter & Gamble. Procter & Gamble is hiring for more than 600 roles. It's a big company, a lot of products, a highly respected company. Okay, number 11, Applied Materials. Applied Materials is hiring for more than 600 roles. It's also a company based in West Coast, but they have presence even outside US also. Number 12, Tyson Foods. Tyson Foods is hiring for 600 roles. Number 63, Mondelez International. Mondelez, Mondelez International. They're hiring for 600 plus roles they have. Number 14, Mondelez was number 13. Number 14 is Centene Corporation. Centene is hiring for also 600 roles. Number 15, CGI, they are hiring for about 600 roles also. Number 16, Baxter International is hiring for 600 roles. Number 17, Pfizer, another major healthcare company, very active in developing COVID-19 vaccine right now. So Pfizer is looking to hire about 600 people also. Number 18, MongoDB. MongoDB is a database company, and they have been around for a few years, but they are kind of I should say, they're in the database space where they deal with non-relational databases, and they used to be very hot for a while, and they're still one of the leaders in this space. And this is number 18, by the way. And they are looking to hire 600 people globally, not just in US, but also all over the world. Number 19, Go Health. It's a healthcare company, of course. It's hiring 600 people. Number 20, also another healthcare company. It's a major company. It's a Cardinal Health. Cardinal Health is looking to hire also 600 people. Number 21, MathWorks. They are looking to hire about 600 people. Number 22, again, a big name in the banking world, Bank of America. Bank of America is hiring for more than 500 positions they have right now. Number 23, Catalent. Catalent, Catalent, they are looking to hire about 500 people. Number 24, Biogen. Biogen is also a major healthcare company. They are looking to hire more than 500 people also. Number 25, major retailer in the electronic space, Best Buy. Best Buy is looking to hire 500 people also, all over US. Number 26, Anthem. Anthem is into the insurance space, healthcare insurance, and they're looking to hire more than 500 people. Number 27, State Farm, another insurance company. They're into auto, life, home insurance and all that, and they are looking to hire 500 people as well. Number 28, Cadence. Cadence Design Systems, major design company. They're looking to hire also 500 people. A lot of companies are hiring 500 people right now, which is good. Good. It's very good, by the way. It's good news. I'm glad to see so many people are hiring. So many. These are big names. And it's good to see that they're hiring. 39, Comcast. Comcast is a communications company, a major communications company, big in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and also other parts of the US. They're looking to hire about 500 people also. Number 30, Quicken Loans. Quicken is into mortgage space and other loans space. So they are looking to hire about 500 people as well. Number 31, Conagra. Conagra is looking to hire about 500 people as well. 32, LabCorp. Again, 500 people, 500 openings they have. Number 33, it's a different type of company. This is New York City itself. So New York is looking to hire 500 people. These are non-medical positions, non-clinical positions, but they are looking to hire so many people. Number 34, CDC Foundation, again has 500 openings. Number 35, FactSet. They are looking to hire about 500 people as well. Number 36, another company that I'm sure you all have heard of, PayPal. PayPal is looking to hire also 500 people. Number 37, Republic Services, also 500 openings. Number 38, Baptist Health, South Florida. Baptist Health, South Florida also has 500 openings. 39, Starbucks. Starbucks also has a lot of openings. We don't know exactly the number, but we think it's about 500 people as well. Number 40, Keurig. Keurig Dr. Pepper. Keurig is owned by Dr. Pepper now, and they are looking to hire about 400 plus people. Number 41, First Group America. First Group America, they are looking to hire about 450 people. Number 42, a major credit card company, MasterCard. MasterCard is looking to hire about 400 people as well. Number 43, PPG Industries. They are looking for about 400 people also. Number 44, ADP. ADP, the payroll company, they are looking to hire about 400 people also. Number 45, AMD. AMD is a semiconductor company. And they are looking to hire about 400 people as well. Number 46, Whole Foods. Whole Foods is now owned by Amazon. And Whole Foods Markets, which is now all over the country, they're actually also in UK. I've seen them in London, and they're also expanding into other markets. But they have presence in just about all the major cities in the US. So Whole Foods is looking to hire about 400 people also. This is in addition to the number of people that Amazon hiring, which is in the hundreds of thousands, as I mentioned in the part 1 of my video. Number 47, CenturyLink. They're looking to hire about 400 people. Number 48, Gap. Gap Inc., a major retailer, is also looking to hire about 400 plus people. Number 49, Western Digital. Okay, Western Digital is known for its disk drives, terabyte drives, and all that. So Western Digital is looking to hire about 400 people also. And the last one today, which is number 50 today, is another big name, eBay. eBay is looking to hire and fill about 400 positions as well. Okay, so that's the 50 companies that have openings, that I'm featuring in this part 4. All right, so if you have any questions or comments, please type in your question or comment in the comment section below. Okay, I'd love to hear from you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Let me know. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, it's on the bottom right corner of your screen. And subscribe to my channels. I'll have part 5 of this series very soon, in a few days. And we'll keep going. And so, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. And again, love to hear from you. Okay, so good luck. Please apply for these jobs and all the best. Thank you.